Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 in the Holi sale in Flipkart or in Amazon.in. So they are eagerly asking me about the price point of this tablet during Holi sale. Tab S9 is a very good tablet for multimedia consumption. The display quality is excellent as it comes with AMOLED display. So in the multimedia consumption section, you will have a very good experience using this tablet for longer periods of time. The second thing about this tablet is that it comes with Snapdragon processor, so you will have a very good experience. But you will not get much discount on this tablet in Holi sale. Many people bought this tablet at 33,000 rupees from Amazon.in, but this time this pricing is not going to happen. So don't expect too much price drop on this tablet. The best price for this tablet is 32,000 rupees. So if you get this pricing, only then you can make the purchase. Otherwise you should skip this tablet in 2026. Some of the users are saying that Xiaomi Pad 7 cannot be priced at 21,000 rupees for the 128GB variant because the price for the 128GB is showing 28,000 rupees during Big Billion Days sale, and after that many people actually bought this tablet at 21,000 rupees. So the best price is 21,000 rupees, but it is a question whether you this pricing or not. If you get this pricing, you can make the purchase, otherwise you should skip the tablet. Now if you are planning to buy iPad Air M3, in that case the best price for this iPad is around 42,000 rupees, and you can get the best discount on this iPad from Amazon.in. Next, if you are planning to buy a TWS under 1.5K, in that case you can consider Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro, and during Holi sale you may see discounts on this TWS. So the best price for this TWS might be under 1300 rupees. So if you can get this pricing, you can definitely buy Oppo Enco Buds 3 Pro. In this TWS you will get balanced sound and the battery backup is top notch. Also the TWS size is little bit smaller, so it will fit very easily in your ears if your ears are little bit on the smaller size. If you want to buy this TWS, I will put the link in the description. So finally, in the conclusion, let the Holi sale come. I think you will definitely get discounts on various tablets and various products. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions through a video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.